Here we are at AutoWorld of Conway, where we'll be previewing yet another gorgeous 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible. Now, I have several Mustangs in my collection, and boy, I'll tell you, it's tempting not to add this one to my own garage. So we'll take a moment or two to go around and preview exactly what you can expect if you were to purchase this car. You can understand its true condition. So we make these videos so that way you can understand. So fully transparent. After 18 years, we realize that taking an extra 10, 15, 20 minutes, pictures are great, videos are even better. So we'll see what this car has to offer. So finished in a dark metallic blue. So normally I'll take these videos, we're a little bit later in the day, but my hope was that the metallic can be seen in this video. So you see the 289 badge there, 15-inch wheels over disc brakes in the front. Stainless rocker trim available in 66. You can see this body is very straight. The blue standard interior is a nice complement. You'll see the air conditioning hanging below the dash. It functions, as does everything else on this car. Functions just as it should. This car is a Seco 289 two-barrel, manufactured in San Jose, California, and has spent much of its life in Texas and Louisiana, based on the prior owner's information that was provided to us. This car was born white. It has had a complete restoration to colors of his choice, which I must commend him. It's a great choice. There's one spot that I can find on the whole body. It's right here. So this car has had a couple repairs in its past. I'm not sure what's going on there. That's the only mark I can really find. See dual exhaust hanging below the valance. Has a great tone. This engine has clearly been worked over. It is not a stock 289 by any stretch of the imagination. Now, I don't have any documentation that says what the internals are or horsepower or anything like that, but having these for years, I clearly know that she is not stock. I can look at this body all day long. See if we can do it like this. Looks like a 4-barrel carburetor under their hood. Stock Ford intake. Air conditioning compressor there. Dual master cylinder for the disc brakes. And unusual, this car actually has rack and pinion steering that the gentleman installed. Found it easier for him to drive. And he's in his late 70s, so 3-row aluminum radiator. Stock manifolds. Again, the presentation, the paintwork on this car is truly nice. Let me see if I can see there. So I've driven this car already today, about 60 miles. She has performed outstanding. Here's the VIN number, the 5th digit, a C like Charlie, indicates that factory 289 two-barrel horizontal grille, only for 66. 65 had the honeycomb grille. So there are detailed photos of this tag on our website, and you can also request high resolution photos of this entire car. It's difficult in the sun because there's a lot of shadows for the interior, but you can see. We'll fire it up here in just a moment. Actually, we can run that top. Do that for just a moment. A lot of people think the car has to be running in order to operate the top, but that is not correct. This top is new, brand new, vinyl back glass. It still presents as new. Let's see, maybe that can help with it. The other neat thing about this car is upgraded shoulder 3-point seat belts. So we have a lot of requests to install 3-point harnesses, and this gentleman has already done that for you. And speakers in back, custom audio radio here. Again, all of your gauges function as they should. Actually had to put 10 gallons of fuel in it earlier. Plenty of oil pressure, radio. And again, the air conditioner. You hear the car balk down, you know it's working. We'll let that run for a moment. So we can go out. There we are, beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang here at AutoWorld of Conway. We'll take a minute, we'll go for a ride. I neglected the trunk in the previous video, so we're going to go through and take a moment and look here. See here, you see the convertible top boot, which is also in pearl white. The trunk is finished nice with the trunk mat, both trunk mats, the vinyl and a carpet. Underneath you'll see vinyl. If this car used to be white, you sure can't tell it. And then a full-size spare. So again, no stone unturned. Full transparency here at AutoWorld of Conway. Alright, so here we are again at AutoWorld of Conway in this beautiful blue 66 Ford Mustang Convertible. Let's go for a ride here. Air conditioning, oh yeah. So horn, turn signals, wipers, everything just as it should be. Two-speed wipers, how about that? thank you again for joining me here at AutoWorld of Conway. This beautiful 1966 Ford Mustang Convertible. Good cars for good people.